Imagine this. Your prospect is reading your sales letter. He's getting pretty excited about your product. You've done a really good job of whipping him into a buying frenzy. He's hovering over the order button, he's ready to click, and then he leans back in his chair. His brows furrow. He shakes his head a little, and then he clicks off the page. Forever. Whoops. Sales letter fail. What happened? What made the prospect go from getting ready to order to abandoning the sales page? Tell you what, every time your prospect is reading your sales letter, there's a little voice niggling at him in the back of his head. That little voice is saying, "This sounds great, but it won't work for you." You see, your prospect has been burned a few times in the past by other marketers. Those other marketers have made bold claims that weren't entirely true. The prospect purchased the product didn't work, and the buyer felt burned, cheated, and scammed. You can bet those wounds stay pretty fresh, even as they're reading your sales letter. So what's the solution? You need to reverse the risk. Instead of making your customer take this huge gamble on whether your product is really going to work or not, you should shoulder the risk. How? By offering a money-back guarantee. Yep, it's really that simple. If you offer a strong guarantee, you'll boost your conversion rate. Now let me share with you the keys to creating a strong money-back guarantee. The first key is to make your guarantee unconditional. If your goal is to boost your conversion rate, then create an unconditional money-back guarantee. This means your customer doesn't have to jump through hoops. They don't have to prove anything. They don't have to provide some documentation showing that your product didn't work. All they have to do is request a refund and they'll get it. If it's a physical product, they'll get the refund just as soon as they ship it back to you. Simple, right? Now, having said that, sometimes marketers offer a dual guarantee which can boost conversions even further. The first part of the guarantee is the unconditional money-back guarantee. If people are unsatisfied for any reason, they'll get a full and prompt refund. The second part of the guarantee might be a double your money back guarantee. This second part is usually conditional, meaning the person needs to jump through some hoops in order to get double their money back. For example, maybe you're selling a course on how to drive traffic using the Facebook paid advertising platform. You might require customers to provide you with their campaign info and receipts before you honor this particular guarantee. If people simply want their money back without hoops, they can request the unconditional guarantee instead. Next up, the second key to creating a strong guarantee is to offer a long time period. Plenty of marketers have tested different guarantee lengths, and they found that short guarantee periods tend to produce higher refund rates. It's pretty simple to see why. Let's suppose you're selling a set of videos and you offer a 1-week guarantee. Suddenly it's 4 or 5 days later and the customer panics because the expiration is coming. But they haven't had a chance to review the videos yet. So what do? Yep, you got it. They ask for a refund. It's a way to protect themselves. Now, when you extend that guarantee to a month long, 3 months long, or a year long, you're going to have lower refund rates. People will have plenty of time to use your product, so they're not going to panic and request refunds in a few days. The third key to a strong guarantee is to state the obvious. If you're selling digital goods that can't be deactivated or returned, then it's obvious that technically a customer can keep the product even if they ask for a refund. So guess what? A few marketers have tested this out, and they've received higher conversion rates and lower refund rates by stating that customers can keep the product even if they request a refund. So now here's the question of the hour. Will these same tactics work for you? The answer is yep. However, you need to test your guarantees and track how they affect refund rates and conversion rates. Test the wording. Test the actual terms of the policy, such as a guarantee length. For example, maybe you'll find that a 90-day guarantee boosts conversions and lowers refunds just as well as a 4, 5, or 6-month guarantee. Test it and see. Now let me close with a simple example. Take a look. Your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed. Download this video today, watch it as many times as you like, and put every tip and trick to work for you for a full 90 days. If you're unsatisfied for any reason, simply email me for a full and prompt refund. No quibbles, no hoops to jump through, no questions asked. So order now, risk-free. That's it for this time. Be sure to check out the recommended resources section of this site to get links to advanced training on this topic, plus links to some other really great tools to help you build your business.